Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn off notifications in your Mac from different apps and from different sites. So for doing this you just need to open System Preferences, and in System Preferences you need to choose Notifications, and in Notifications you will see all the sites and apps you give access to send you notifications. So all you can also, for example, this one you can also delete it. So just click known, and it won't send you any notifications again. So here too, known. Here you can see also banner and alerts. So you can also choose three different alert styles. So known style, it won't send you any notifications, second banners, and three alerts. So you can also uncheck here show notifications on lock screen and show in notification center 5 recent items. So also do not disturb, it won't show you notifications from this time from all of your apps and sites. So here you can also choose turned on do not disturb from some to some, and just check here and it won't send you any notifications from this time. Or another option is when the display is sleeping, when mirroring to TVs and projectors, and where do not disturb is turned on. Allow calls from everyone, allow repeated calls. So just change what you need to change and just save your settings and just close. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.